Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can get a silo or build a silo in Stardew Valley. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to this specific location called the Carpenter Shop. This can be open most days from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So the first thing that we want to do is to simply head over to that location. But of course, before you do that, you must get yourself some resources. So let's just go ahead and talk to Robin right here. And then you want to click on the construct farm buildings. From there, it will then take you to this menu on which you then have to simply select on this arrow until you come across the silo. So in order to build the silo, you need to gather 100 gold, 100 stone, 10 clay, and 5 copper bars. So you can just click on this specific icon. This is going to build the build icon. It will take around 2 days, and then right after clicking on this button, you will then have a preview of your farm on which you will be able to select on where you want to build your silo. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.